Hello, welcome to all students in this topic of management. So before going to detail about the management, first we have to know what is the management, what about its definition, how and how many principles of this management. So first I am going to the slide with this. What is definition of this management? So management can be explain in the meaning of it is the process of dealing with or controlling things or people. So if there is any system having a proper management, then it can be proceed smoothly and for a longer time. Or we can say management is a process to achieve goal and objective effectively and efficiently through and with the collaboration of people. And there is another definition for the management is that management is the process of achieving the organization goal, because all the organization is working with the organization particular goal and the objective effectively and efficiently by using management functions, that is staffing, having some kinds of employees they are there, planning, proper planning for that organization, and how they are organizing them, and finally how they are controlling them. So the management is we can say it is a part of a science or it is a part of a art. So we are having the knowledge of science. So science is the knowledge how we are developing in a short interval of time. So science is a collection of systematic knowledge, the knowledge to be developed and collection of facts and references after continuous study and experiment. So it has the fundamental principle discovered. Knowledge attained through study or practice, or knowledge covering general truth of the operation of the general law. And the management is like the two faces of a coin. One is art and one other face is science. So management requires scientific principle which makes the element of science, and skill the talent which are attributes of art. So we can say that management is required in both art as well as science. Next, the principle of management. So there is the name of the person, that is Henry Fayol. About 90 years before, he proposed 6 primary functions of management, 14 principles of the management. That is, functions are forecasting, planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. So these are the 5 primary functions of the management, and then there are 14 principles of management. We are going through with these 14 principles further. First is the division of labor. If there is any organization, or we are having the different kinds of people in that organization, so we have to give the division of labor of each person. So Henry Fayol has stressed on the specialization of the job. If any job is for any kind of job, we have to specify it to particular person. So he recommended that work of all kinds must divided and subdivided and allotted to various persons according to their expertise in the particular area. It also helps the individual in acquiring speed, accuracy in his performance. Specialization lead to efficiency and economy in the sphere of business. Second one, authority and responsibility. All the organization having some authority, and these authorities having the few responsibilities. So if authority is given to a person, it should also be made responsible. Authority without responsibility leads to irresponsible behavior, whereas responsibility without authority makes the person ineffective. Third one, principle of one boss. So if there is any organization, so we have to manage only one boss there. A subordinate should not receive instruction from more than one person. If there is happen, then there is a few discrepancies are there, like weakness discipline, divide loyalty, create confusions, delays and chaos, and duplication of work and overlapping of efforts. Next, fourth, unity of direction. Without unity of direction, unity of action cannot be achieved. In fact, unity of command is not possible without unity of direction. Fifth one, equity. Equity means combination of fairness, kindness and justice. So the employee should be treated with fairnessly, kindnessly and equity if devotion is expected of them. So equity is the essential to create and maintain cordial relation between the manager and subordinate. Next one, order. Arrangement of things is that material order and placement of people is called social order. That one is the material order and other one is the social order. So and the further is discipline. Discipline means sincerity, obedience, respect of authority and observance of rules and regulations of the enterprise. Next, initiative. Worker should be encouraged to take initiative in his work assignment to them. Honestly, it helps in developing an atmosphere of trust and understanding. People then enjoy working in the organization because it adds to their zeal and energy to suggest improvement in the formulation and implementation of plays. Next, fair remuneration. FAIL also recommended provision of other benefits such as free education, medical and residential facility to all the employees of the organization. Next, stability of tenure. According to FAIL, time is required for the employee to get used to new work and succeed to going it well, but if it is removed before, he will not be able to render worthwhile services. So the result is that the time, effort and money spent on training the working will go, all the things go waste. So the next one is the scalar chain. So the chain means interrelationship, all the things are must be there. And 12th one is that subordination of individual interest to general interest. They have to not be in We have to convert individual interest to general interest, achieved through unity of command, and finally the centralization, decentralization of all the things. Thank you.